precision, pure chaos. Welcome to Veteran Tech, where massive machines meet fearless operators, and every cut could be the difference between victory and disaster. Let's dive in. Snow has its own way of reminding us who's boss. That perfect white layer may look peaceful, but it hides traps even seasoned pros have to respect. Out there, every step is a lesson in staying sharp. That one had hearts racing, but with quick thinking and faster hands, everything turned out okay. Sometimes, luck shows up right when you need it most. Oh my gosh, they're using explosives to remove a stump? This just turned into an action movie. Even with perfect cuts and careful planning, nature can still surprise you. That tree didn't fall the way anyone expected. A powerful reminder that in the forest, control is an illusion. That spruce didn't go down easy, but the logger made it look like routine work. With a calm approach and steady hand, he brought it down with style. When experience meets confidence, even the toughest trees don't stand a chance. Prepare to be impressed by the Husqvarna 365 chainsaw. With 5.8 horsepower and a 28-inch bar, this machine isn't just powerful, it's precise. Whether you're slicing through dense trunks or trimming with finesse, it handles like an extension of your own strength. Fire it up and you'll understand why professionals swear by it. This Campa tree is no pushover. Its massive trunk hints at deep, sprawling roots anchoring it into the earth. Taking it down isn't about brute force, it's a chess match. Every cut must be calculated, every movement matters. This is where strength meets strategy. Just happened. It's like the universe hit reset. One moment of calm, then total chaos. Absolute madness, and we're here for it. Spring cleanup just got serious. Out at Osprey Valley Golf, the Dingo stump grinder is going head-to-head with a stump the size of a kitchen table, and it's winning. With smooth control and brutal grinding force, it chews through hardwood like it's breakfast. When it's done, the course looks pristine, like nothing ever stood in its way. For precision mulching on mid-size excavators, nothing compares to the FAE DMLR High. Mounted on a Kubota KX80, this machine doesn't just clear brush, it devours it. Small trees, thick undergrowth, stubborn scrub, gone in seconds. Built for machines up to 10 tons, it balances raw power with surgical control, perfect for tight spaces and delicate terrain. Now Now this is firewood engineering done right, a machine that switches between splitting and sawing with just one motor adjustment. That's not just clever, it's efficient. No more bouncing between tools. This setup is compact, reliable, and ready to turn hard work into a smooth operation. Like having a toolbox full of options in one clean machine. Here comes a real heavyweight. This wood processor runs at a slow 25 RPM, which means no dangerous kickbacks and maximum control. The overband magnet? A genius addition, stripping out any metal from the debris. And with tracks nearly 1 meter wide, it cruises across soft terrain with ease. It doesn't just shred, it dominates. Watch the Denuser 16 stump auger bit go to work. It drills deep into thick wood, spiraling through the core like a screw into soft earth. Compared to traditional methods, this approach is cleaner, faster, and way more satisfying to watch. Snow has its own way of reminding us who's boss. That perfect white layer may look peaceful, but it hides traps even seasoned pros have to respect. Out there, every step is a lesson in staying sharp. This is creativity in motion. A belt-driven saw powered by a beat motor, blending farming know-how with woodcutting finesse. It slices through logs so smoothly it's like watching butter melt in the sun. Sometimes, the smartest machines come from the simplest ideas. Well, that's it, game over. Whatever plan they had, nature just gave its own ending. Let's talk about the MBR 900 drum cutter. It's the ninja of demolition. Silent, smooth, and unbelievably precise, this thing slices through rock and concrete like it's slicing fruit. Ideal for tight neighborhoods where you need to stay quiet, but still get the job done. You won't believe it until you see it. If tools had a popularity contest, this one would get all the high fives. For small gardens and backyard cleanup, the Makita UD2000 500 electric shredder is a quiet hero. It takes branches and turns them into mulch or compost with ease. No loud roars or messy breakdowns, just smooth, efficient shredding. The real test is how it handles thicker limbs, but on paper this thing is a backyard boss. The Nisla 555C moves through the forest like a predator with purpose. Lightweight but powerful, it's built with smart hydraulics and a precision saw system that reads the wood like a seasoned logger. The Goldfinger function delivers clean, surgical cuts while the adaptive grip reacts in real time. This is more than equipment, it's a mechanical extension of instinct. This DIY chainsaw setup is brilliant. Mounted on a sliding rail, the saw glides through wood with calm precision. For repetitive cuts and firewood prep, this modification saves time, effort, and wear on the body. It's innovation born from real-world needs. John Deere 4066R, paired with the Rake Master root rake, is a force to be reckoned with. It clears massive roots, lifts tangled debris, and smooths the ground like a sculptor finishing a masterpiece. This setup transforms land clearing from a grueling task into a clean, controlled process. No strain, no struggle, just pure professional-grade precision. a look at the KMC 26000 dancing its way through Oregon's steep timber trails. That swinging boom moves like a maestro's baton, guiding logs into perfect position with graceful control, even on slick terrain. It shifts forward with the power of a draft horse, never sinking, never slipping. After years of working sensitive slopes, it still looks flawless. This machine doesn't just move wood. It turns skidding into a symphony. Snow has a sneaky way of turning small issues into major disasters. A little slide, a moment of delay, and suddenly everything's on the line. Out here, every step matters. Stay sharp, stay safe, and never underestimate winter's bite. That homemade forwarder is a mechanical beast. With oversized tires and a hydraulic arm that moves like it means business, it charges through rough terrain like it was built for war. Watching it grab and haul logs with such smooth control is a tribute to pure engineering genius. That was wild. 1 second it looked like a fatal plunge, the next the truck flipped the script and came out clean. Everyone walked away. And the footage? That's video gold. Hold up, this machine is hauling timber like it's picking daisies. It's so effortless, it's almost unreal. This isn't just equipment. It's a flex. No question about it, this thing owns the mud. It tears through swampy roads like they're paved highways. Each spin of the tire sprays confidence in every direction. If mud had feelings, it would have given up by now. Even after years in this industry, the FH20 still gets the heart racing. It digs, lifts, and clears stumps with zero hesitation. Watching it in motion feels like watching precision dance. And when those stumps feed into the robotic grinder, the whole process clicks together in perfect rhythm. This is what modern forestry looks like: power and efficiency in harmony. Perfect tree saw paired with the D6C Cat bulldozer is a land-clearing dream team. This 2000 model was built for heavy-duty brush and tough timber, and it shows. With 11 different sizes, the attachment works on everything from a small ATV to a 200G. On the D6, it shines, turning a workhorse into a forest-conquering machine. Whether you're clearing farmland or carving through wilderness, this combo means business. Deep in the Swedish forest, transformation happens every day. The Vermeer HG4000 horizontal grinder roars to life and turns scrap wood into rich mulch. Blades whirl, timber disappears, and out comes soil-enriching gold. Waste becomes a resource. This isn't just grinding, it's alchemy in motion. This is what resilience looks like. The WF Track 2460 skidder, alongside Danny Sven Drager's crew, is pulling timber from chaos left by a hurricane. Each log they recover is a step toward healing the forest. The teamwork, the muscle, the determination, it's nothing short of inspiring. Technology and human will, moving forward together. When raw power meets human skill, anything can happen, and out here, it usually does. Thanks for watching Veteran Tech. Like, subscribe, and join us next time for more high-stakes action in the heart of the timber world.